Hello and welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. I'm Tinica, and today we're making a really fun product. It's a fizzing cinnamon tooth powder. Okay, to make your fizzing cinnamon tooth powder, you'll need some ingredients, of course. You'll need citric acid, baking soda, cinnamon, xylitol, and bentonite clay. You'll also need a food processor, similar to this one. This is our nice little one that we have. Okay, so this is super easy to make. You simply add all of the ingredients to your food processor. So we're going to add our baking soda, our citric acid, cinnamon, bentonite clay, and of course xylitol. And xylitol you can get at any store that sells any kind of natural products. Whole Foods would carry it. I'm sure your local natural food store would carry it as well. And you simply put your top on and mix this all together. Okay, once it's fully mixed together, because cinnamon is so light and airy, you might want to give it a minute to calm down in your food processor before you open the top, unless of course you want to inhale a bunch of cinnamon. I wouldn't recommend it, but it's an option. Okay, so I think that's calmed down enough. It's still a little. I'm not going to inhale that. And I'm going to pour this in a bowl so you can see what it looks like once it's all mixed up. Actually, kind of looks like it could be mixed more, doesn't it? I'm going to mix it some more. Saw some chunks in there that I wasn't happy with, so here we go again. Okay, let's see how that looks. There we go, that's looking better. Okay, so you can see it kind of has that light cinnamon look. And of course the fun part about this, not only does it clean your teeth, xylitol is great for cleaning teeth. I don't know how else to put that without getting into FDA trouble, but anyways, xylitol is great for cleaning your teeth. It's also very sweet, so it makes your tooth powder, it has a sweet and tart feel to it. It fizzes in your mouth and leaves you with a cinnamon aftertaste. So we hope you enjoy this recipe. It's very fun. It's fun to use. It's my new favorite way to brush my teeth. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check below. Click the More button on this video right directly below, and there will be a link to purchase the ingredients you need to make this recipe. The xylitol and the cinnamon are something that we don't sell here at Essential, but they're easy to find, so you shouldn't have any trouble finding those. Anyways, thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more great videos.